Health sector responsibilities for sustainable development. Look at this sustainable development goals. Issues in health, environment and sustainable development. The health sector bearing following responsibilities. First, monitoring overall health status, ensuring that health is monitored at the city, neighborhood or district level, and that intra-urban and intra-district differences are detected. Second, estimating the contributions of various environmental and social factors to health problems by using improved indicators of the relationship between health and living conditions to support decision making. Three, analyzing environmental and social health needs and requirements in various development sectors that are significant for health, such as housing, local government, transport and industry, including consideration of the health opportunities offered by each sector. For formulating health and environmental policies in partnership with relevant sectors. Five, advocating, facilitating and fostering the inclusion of health issues in the work of competent agencies, organizations and communities at all levels, and generally promoting health and the environment. 6, supporting health and environmental service delivery, providing such services as are appropriate at various tiers of government. Look at this pie chart. Health in the SDG era. Third sustainable development goal, good health and well-being. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Health is a fundamental factor to achieve all other sustainable development goals. 7, supporting the development of research that may be necessary to improve understanding, assessment and the management of health risk. 8, providing technical support and guidance in policy and planning, evaluation and capacity development. Thank you. Have a nice day.